could see, it's here. It's finally here. My new suspension. Trying something different, going away from BC and TNs and stuff. Read good reviews, so let's see what's at the front. It was supposed to be here in 2 to 3 weeks, but hey, it came sooner than expected. So now we're gonna have some fun. I have damper, I have camber plates. So before that, gotta put the wife her husband in. She got the KYBs. Well, she got the struts, KYB struts. She likes stuck. I don't like stuck. She got the KYBs, just struts. So, I don't know if y'all can see me, but super stoked about these coilovers. So we're going to do unboxing today and show you what the yellow speed are made of. So once I was told that it's probably by the same manufacturer of BCs. I don't know how true that is, but today we're gonna find out. I did research on them, and they actually seem to be pretty decent. So today we are going to unbox these yellow speed coilovers. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. We have tools, instructions, everything that comes with it, a whole package. What is this? We have upper mount, we have front strut, we have struts, 2 fronts, 2 rear, upper mount spring, high, low kit, spring seat, locking ring, dust bowls, lower brackets, other stuff, like all that stuff in this one package. So I guess you can take out the first one. That's some weight to it. That's some weight. Okay. So this is what it looked like. Now my assumption was it was supposed to come with dampering. Yellow speed, come on. It's supposed to come with dampering because that's what I ordered. The dampering ones. Highly disappointed. Because that's what it's supposed to come with. But feel sturdy. Feels nice. So you can adjust the height up and down. I'm assuming this is the rears. So this is the Pro Sport, they say. Let's do the fronts now. So these are the fronts. I don't know if you can see. So it was supposed to come with a camber plate. Yellow speed. What's up? Where's my camera plate? But they said they're supposed to be pretty good, so we'll see how they go. We shall see. I just wish they had camera plates though. I wish it came with camera plates and the dampering. Or maybe they do come with the dampering. Maybe if we open this box, we shall see the dampering. Oh yeah, they do come with dampering. So the but the camera plate is what I really wanted though. So it comes with 4. These not really sure. Oh, these are to hold on to the. I think I know what these for. I don't want to say nothing wrong, but I have a little beat up sticker. What comes in the box, which I should have this. My upper mount, but nah. And instruction book. So now I'm gonna have to go find out upper mount. My dampering springs. Not dampering, but I'm gonna have to find a. I'm not telling you to find. So that will be installed this weekend. So this weekend we are installing my shocks first. Forget her shocks. Mine's installed first. Joking, but yeah. So fairly happy. We see how the ride is. Could adjust from hard to soft, from soft to hard. And I believe these go on to the front struts. Around like this. Front struts is a big restaurant. But just go to the front struts like that, and they help, hold it in on the chassis of the car. So stay tuned for the installation.